Hello, guys.
Okay, what are you going to do, Andrew?
Make that.
Okay. So we got to inventory our parts, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. We're supposed to have one. I got to get it on the English part. One bottom panel.
Look what Andrew's doing. He's building his own monster trap.
Well, let's inventory it. Let's see. We got to have one bottom panel. That's this flat thing, okay?
Andrew might need some help. Nuh-uh.
Okay. One lower truck body with fenders. Look, you got to know what the parts are.
The top on
This
it.
is a low. One lower truck body with fenders.
Yeah.
One upper truck body.
Yeah.
One bottom panel.
Yeah. Oh, Mila.
One truck bed. This is a truck bed.
Yeah, truck bed.
This is a, no, it ain't a truck bed. That's a truck cab. I'm sorry. This is a truck cab.
Yeah,
This is a row bar.
Oh, row bar.
This is a truck bed. This is
That's good. Look, a row bar.
2 axles,
You know,
4 wheels,
not a row bar.
and the nails. So it looks like we got everything.
We got everything. Not a row bar.
Row bar. Yeah, a row bar for the monster truck.
What did my dog? It smells like wood chips. Papa.
Okay. All right. First thing we're going to start with, it says locate the bottom panel, the lower truck body with fenders, and the upper truck body. So that's these 3 pieces right here, baby. 3 pieces. Okay? We're going to start with them. It says match the pre-drilled holes together with all 3 of them. So this one goes on the bottom. This one goes next.
It smells like wood chips over here.
And then this one goes on top of that. Then we got to match all the holes together. See all them pre-drill holes? Look here. This one goes on top of this one.
That's
here.
a lot of dirt.
Look here. Look here. See these holes? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one flips over. 1, 2, 3, 4. All them go together. And we got to put the long nails all the way through. Use 4 middle nails.
Like that. And it's like that.
To attach as shown. Man, that's a...
That's the active. That's the active.
We got 4 long nails. We got long nails. Look here, baby. We got long nails.
And a lot of little nails.
We got middle nails. And we got short nails. So you got to use the middle nails. Which one's the middle nails?
I don't know. Take this.
Right. Okay, so you got to use the middle nail. And you got to go through that hole.
Yeah. I need my hammer.
To that hole.
I need my hammer.
To this hole.
My hammer.
Jim, can you turn it down a little bit? Okay, right there. Where's your hammer? There it is. Okay, go all the way through.
And your hammer super hard as you can.
Eye on the nail.
I don't want that now. You don't have to put your finger up there and don't smash it. Hard. Not me.
Let me do it, babe.
Harder.
Okay. Okay. Move your hand. Move your hand.
You're doing it crazy.
Okay, here's your next middle nail.
I'm gonna put it in. And not that taco on.
Oh, put your goggles on. There. So no wood chips fly. Okay.
And
There's your next one. Okay, there we go.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was trying to take
had to put 3 pieces together at one time, Papa.
That's how big the monster truck is. Huh?
Mm-hmm. Keep going.
Oh, that's good.
Let him put it in. Let him put it in.
No.
Okay.
No.
Do your next one.
No.
Put your next one in the hole.
No. Nada porque. Nada porque. Just put that one.
Go show Papa what you built. There you go. There you go. Awesome job. There, right here. Here's that one. Okay. Keep your eye on the nail. Eye on the nail. Better use the other hand. Eye on the nail.
I put that nail in.
Okay. Eye on the nail. Gotta hold this piece down. There you go.
It's not even going in.
Yes, it will.
Hammer as hard as you can, like those other
right
ones.
there.
Hard as you can.
Okay. Did you use a
He
long nail?
did that. He put his hand right
Sure
there.
you didn't use a long nail? There's a long nail missing.
I put nails on it.
There's a long nail missing. No, it ain't. No, there it is.
For me.
Let him do it, Ashley.
Hammer
Move
as
your hand.
hard as you can.
Eye on the nail. There you go.
That's it. It won't work.
Yeah, it will. Move your hand, Ashley. There you go. Keep going.
You help me.
You can do it.
Hey, let me help you. Ow, ow, ow.
Here, we might need to back it out. It may have got out of the hole. So when you use a claw hammer, we're going to push it out and we're going to lean it back. There. Let's try again. Let's see if it might have got out of wacky.
Not wacky.
It may have not got all the way through. There, now try it.
See if it got out of wacky. Yeah, wacky. We want to go almost got out of wacky.
We're going to use that as a support. Now try it. Now try it. You got to hit the hand. There you go. It needed some leverage, didn't it? There we go. Now, did we get them all the way in everywhere? Get them all
Here,
in
let
there.
me try. Let me.
Let him do
And
it,
you
Ashley.
swat it hard right there.
Make sure you got your eye on the nail.
Because that one's deep in there.
Okay, get all of them.
Swat all those deep in there.
Move your hands or he's going to get you. You got to hold your wood piece. Okay, I got your wood piece held for you. You hammer it. Move your fingers.
Hard.
Move your fingers.
Swat it hard. That's so hard.
Move these fingers and you go ahead and hit it. One more time. Let's get them all in there good because that's the bottom.
That one's already in there.
Mm-hmm. Hit it harder, bro.
Harder.
But you got to hit the nail. There we go. Okay, now get these 2 little ones. That one's in there good. Now get this one and this one.
Oh, his cheeks are red.
Okay, you can take the goggles off. It's okay. It's a little hot, isn't it?
It's hard.
Yes.
Swat that one in there hard.
Okay, good job. Good job. Okay, all right. Next step. Locate the roll bar. Here's the roll bar. And into the truck bed using 2 short nails. Which one is the truck bed? We're going to turn it over.
This is the truck bed. This is truck bed.
You're right. This is the truck bed. So here's the picture, and we got to put the roll bar into the truck bed on each side like this. Okay?
No, you're supposed to flip it like this. Like this. Like that.
Okay, but we got to do it on each side. And, okay, there we go. So we got to get it where the nails are like two short ones.
I got 2 short ones.
Okay, let him put it in. Let him put it in. Put it in, and you got to mush it all the way through that hole. All the way through. Yeah, all the way through. Good job. And hammer it through. Good job. Keep going.
Harder!
No, he's doing good. Just like that. Back your hand up, Ash.
There you go.
Keep going. Back up. He's going to hit you with that. Don't now. Don't. We don't play around with tools. No. Keep
Ooh.
Okay, now we're going to flip it over and do this side.
That's a top bed.
No, be nice. Come on. Keep drawing the nail.
Now go back on my eye.
Yeah, back up.
Now go back. Hammer it in. Now go bite on my eye.
Yes, it could. Fly got on your eye.
I'm not having no thought. Hammer it! Kid, don't talk, hammer. Hey!
Get it in there.
Tight.
Okay. Okay. All right, let's lay that there. Next thing is attach the truck bed to the body of the assembly from the step 1 using the middle nails as shown. So here's step 1.
Active.
And it goes like this. And we're going to use middle-sized nails. These are the long ones. These are the middle ones. And you're going to put the 4 nails in there.
Nina. Me, my 2 nails don't take this now. Now don't take active.
Let's see. Middle-sized nails. There we go. Okay, I should give him some space and let him do it.
This now. You can't hammer that one in.
Yes, it can.
Can't.
Start with the inside one first.
I'll dare you. Now let me try. Mom!
Finish those inside. Let him do it. Asher, back up. Give him some space.
Harder.
He's doing fine, just like that. Okay, here.
That one.
Good job. Good job, Ander. Good job.
Ooh, bit of look off. Bit of look off.
He did good. Very good. Watch your finger.
Okay.
Yeah, move your hand off this one.
I need help.
Okay. Look, move this hand.
Yeah, I told you needed help. You not in there, Mommy. No.
Back hand, please.
I mean, I
No,
got
I
it
got my
now.
hand.
I got it now.
Okay.
Let me see how long it is. Give me a nail.
Gotta give him a chance.
Me and my bacon a wood.
Okay, you breaking the wood? No, you're okay. I want to finish getting those in there. Okay, do that one. Gotta give him a room. Been waiting. Good job.
And I know that you bake in it.
Yeah.
And I don't know that it's baked. And I know that it's baked.
It's hard, isn't it? Okay, good job. Here's one of that one.
And, you know.
I think you gotta turn the air conditioning on.
No, it's getting not tired now.
Okay, hand not tired now.
I put that in. Fuck that.
You're doing good.
Yeah, you think a bag go put that. But that's my birthday thing. Birthday thing? Not the foot. He said his foot.
Foot's itching.
Foot. The birthday thing.
Okay.
You put it there.
Foot's itching. Okay. All right. All right. Now using the two long nails. Two long nails.
My thing.
Are that tired? Okay. Now we're going to put it this way. Using the two long nails, attach the cab to the truck body.
Negative one. How you
Yeah.
do that?
I'm gonna put it
How
that-
you do that? That long cab.
Yes. Make sure you're long. Make sure it goes all the way. Wait a minute, baby. Look here. And baby, look. Make sure that that nail goes all the way through and lined up in that hole right there. There we go. Watch your finger. Okay. Now put the other long nail in.
I'm not getting off.
Right. It's not coming out if you got it in there right. Is it all the way through to the hole? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's get it all the way through to the hole. At the bottom. Wait a minute. I don't think it went all the way through to the right hole. There. There we go. Good job. Keep going. Get it in there good. Get it in there tight.
I do hold.
Yeah.
Hold.
Sure.
And
No, not done yet.
needs wheels and stuff.
Okay. Next step. Now we're going to attach the axles to the wheels using the short nail. Let it do it.
I'm gonna add the screws.
Short nails, like that. You can hold the stick for him. Hold the stick for him, Asher. Let him nail that in.
You hold it, cause it's too dangerous.
All right, look right here. I'm going to hold it like this for you. We put the nail through, and we put it in the hole, and you nail that axle on there, and that wheel on that axle. Eye on the nail. Eye on that nail. I'll hold that for you.
A pin.
Yeah, it spins, but we got to get the nail all the way
Already
in.
got one ready.
Let it spin after you get all the way in. Move in it. Keep going.
Oh, yeah, help me. He said me.
Okay.
Nina. Quit moving your finger. Here, let me do it. Oh.
No, Lynn, that's all right. Here, you can do it. Keep your eye on that nail. Keep going.
Down.
No, a little bit more.
Nina. That's just a deep one of the rail. Nina.
I'll give it one good whack for you. Okay, do the next one.
Nina.
Do the next. Leave it right here. We don't put it in yet. Do the next one right there.
Nina.
Let's see. You got to make sure it's in that.
Nina.
Hold on to that.
You do it.
There it goes. Right there. You can do it.
Mima, you do it. That well.
Okay, we'll have to get some tape or something. right there. Good whack. Okay, that's in. All right, now it says slide the axles through the truck and attach the second wheel on the short. I guess they're the same. Are they the same lengths?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Now let him. Okay, there we go.
Front wheel.
Let's put that one in. Wait a minute. We gotta put it one at a time. There we go. Look, let him do it. Let him do it.
You want me?
Yeah, he can do that one. Look, and there.
You can do
After
do all wheel. After thing do all
Better
wheel.
back it out.
After thing do all wheel.
It should have went in easy. Try it again. Go all the way through there. And then line your hoe up.
No. That's not me to that.
See how easy it went in when you lined it up? Okay. All right, now do the next one. Put it through the bottom. Let him put it through the bottom. Let him put it through the bottom. Put it through this way. Okay.
How people like work. He said I can do all the wheels.
Let him try this one. You line it up for him. There. Now.
Where my stuff
Now look there. Looky there.
That's how to do big.
Now it's time for the stickers. Now it says add the stickers and enjoy your build and grow monster truck. Okay, here's your stickers.
Where does this sticker go?
Well, let's do that one last. That's the last sticker. Here is the stickers for the truck. Now, I would say, what would go on there first?
Andrew, which sticker? Andrew, which man do you want? Whoop. That one. Okay.
Wait a minute. I think one goes on each side, don't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, you put one on each side and one in the window. Yeah.
The one on window, one on window.
One on each window and one on the windshield. Yeah.
I want that and you that.
All right, put the wheels on. Come on. Andrew can do that. Andrew can do the stickers.
Anyway, I'm putting the most difficult one on.
You're going to put the most difficult one on.
I can't do wheel.
Yeah, line it up straight, brother.
Where's the windshield? There's this.
Here's the windshield.
There's this.
So that's the tires.
This.
This tire, it says front grille, wheels, tires. Can you peel it off? Here we go. Do it real straight.
I was thinking of driving a monster truck to Lowe's.
He's just a Lowe's sponsored it. He's just got a Lowe's hat on.
I want to.
He's got a Lowe's hat on.
I want to.
See?
No.
He's putting the wheel on. Just a minute. Can't move it while he's putting the wheel on. Can you get it on there? No, pick it. Pick it.
I can do two legs.
He can do two wheels.
Yeah, he do.
That's a front bumper.
That's on his nose.
He's got dice hanging from his windshield.
Yeah.
That's what truck drivers do, hang dice from their windshield. Two wheels. Okay, here.
Daddy not do that. That's the thing to. Daddy not do that. Daddy not do that.
Daddy don't do that?
No.
Does he drive a big truck?
No. He drives his work truck and a pickup.
Work truck and a pickup?
Oh, no, that no.
This goes on the front bumper.
We're still Okay, I want it
Here,
on
that goes on the front
I want
bumper.
it low cat, low cat, low cat.
You got work, cat. Here. All right, slow down. That goes on the front bumper. Let him put it on there real fast.
That don't on the
Right here. It goes right there.
That don't on the
And
front.
give it to him. It goes on the front. That's what it says. Right here. Right here. No, right here. Front
That
bumper.
busted. No, look, the lights. You put the lights right there. Huh?
Up. Line it up right in the
And
middle.
it did
Up high.
And
Line
it
it.
did it. And it did it.
Slow down.
Oh, Danny, don't look at me. I'm still panic. Yeah, me do that.
Okay, you do it. And it says,
I'm gonna
It
make
says.
some cars.
look here. What it says. Let's see, where does it go? It says, put that and stop. Let's see what it says. Side decals. Okay, that goes
Can
on the
you do
side.
that?
Let me peel it off for you.
Yeah.
Okay, it goes on the side. Okay, it goes on the side.
Mommy.
Right up here on the side of the truck. And let him do it. Let him do it.
Daddy.
And let him do it. Let him do it.
We have things to lab now.
Okay, that one goes on the other side.
You think do that next to you.
He said you can do that one, Big Bubba.
I think do that.
That's some more side
Yeah.
decals.
That.
Okay, right here.
That. But I don't on the back.
It just goes on the side, it says. Look here. It says you can put those others on the side too, but looks like you could put it up here on the back if you wanted to.
I'll get it on ticket. I'll get that.
Will it fit? I don't know
No.
if it'll fit. Just put it on.
I'll wet it a bit. I'll wet it. Wet in it. I wet in it.
Oh, that says monster truck. Where you want to put it at? What does it
And
say?
then you
What
want-
does it say? The hood. That goes on the hood. Goes on the front, right here. On the hood, right here. Turn it around the other way,
Like the
like this.
like that.
The horn, like that. Okay, that
That
goes like that.
that.
Goes like that.
That auto.
Yeah, he's going.
Nah.
He just is.
Look at that dive down now. That dive down now.
He's got his hand up like this, going honk, 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 honk.
Wet it. Ah, you wet it.
Here, let me put this right here.
Why you wet it?
Let me put that right there. There, good job. That's the way. That's the way. Sliding it in there. You got to take little fingers, don't it? Good job.
Dada, on my mouth it's almost done.
Almost done. You can put that other one on top, on the very top, right up there.
That
Yeah, that green one, put it right up there. Let
no,
it-
me and my YouTube channel is a good test.
You can do it.
I don't think do that.
Okay.
Oh,
There you go. Oh, it's okay. You can get it. There you go. Put that other part, and then you can put that beside it. Right here on top.
they did.
It'll fit. You can make it fit.
My monster has monster on it.
Yeah, it's got all kinds of monsters on it, don't it?
Don't they did?
Yeah. There you go. Like that. Okay, now show me what you finished.
My monster.
Show me how it rolls. You built it. You built that. Put it back up on that block. Put it back on the block. Show me.
My later.